In this chapter, we will learn about these three topics. First is charged particle in matter. Second is distribution of electrons in different orbits. Third one is atomic number and mass number. Okay.
ANM means what was the ANM means? Atoms and molecules, right?
What ANM?
ANM means atoms and molecules, right?
No. SON, structure of atom.
Oh, structure. ANM has been completed, right?
Yes, ANM means atoms and molecules. Okay, so now see, we'll start
I know
structure.
charged particles.
So do you know what
I
is
know,
this?
so like if hydrogen is bonded with helium, I know fictitious charge.
Really?
Yes.
Nice. Okay, so tell me, what is the shape of atom? Atom shape.
You have to give me an atom. No, you can't actually say a shape of an atom.
No, we can say.
Quantum.
Tell me.
Because quantum stuff just complicates stuff.
We can also say spherical kind of shape.
Okay, like some of them are spherical, but not all of them.
Spherical kind of shape. And atoms are smallest, invisible,
Yeah, they are the smallest.
indivisible.
Yeah, they are like in plasma they're divisible.
Indestructible, right?
It
The
can
last
be destructible. It is destructible. You can break it up into it's
we can break it up, but we can say some
not
kind.
indestructible. You can break it up.
We can
Plasma.
But
Plasma.
we can
This was
what? Oh my god, dog. Dog, no?
What?
No, nothing. Now see, if let's say this is element of sodium. Sodium symbol is
S.
hmm?
I is silicon, so I guess S.
Sodium, not silicon.
Yeah, Si is silicon. I think it's S. Sodium.
No.
Then what is S? Sulfur.
S is for sulfur. Yes.
How did I get that?
What is for sodium?
Or SO?
No, Adam.
Na.
Yes, Na. See, in this element there are lots of. These are what? These are Na atoms.
Na atoms.
Right? And what is subatomic particle?
Can you actually have a block of sodium? I don't think so.
What?
I don't think a block of sodium exists. Maybe.
No, just I'm drawing one some outline that you'll get to know that okay, these are what? These are Na atoms. These are elements.
No, I'm saying do they do the structure where the elements electrons are just whizzing around everywhere?
Yes. So what is subatomic particle?
Subatomic particle.
La. What is subatomic particle? Particles present inside?
Particle.
Particle present inside particle? Particles present inside atom.
Yeah.
It's known as
subatomic particle.
Okay, I'm okay. Okay. And atoms consist of three things, right?
Neutrons, protons, and electrons.
Yes. And neutrons is having how many charge?
What?
Neutrons is having
positive charge, I think. No, neutrons no charge.
Zero column?
Yep.
And
positive plus charge.
Plus how much?
Plus 1.
No.
Plus charge.
Plus 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. See? Okay. And for electron, it is negative
1. Is that like a unit of charge or something?
Yes. Coulomb is COLUMB.
Oh, SI unit.
SI unit of charge. SI unit to measure charge.
I have a question for Coulomb, whatever it's called. Like there's this dimension chapter, right? What is it for? What is the dimension of Coulomb?
What is the dimension of Coulomb? You tell me.
I don't know. A?
C maybe. Dimension of column is MLT. Charge of MLT is 0. And for this charge is 1. This is the dimension of column.
ML. So it's just I.
Yes,
So
just I.
dimension of it is just I.
Yes. Okay. Next, we know that we will only consider mass of proton and mass of neutron, which is 1.67 into 10 to the power minus 27 kg. We will not consider mass of electron. Why we will not consider mass of electron? Because
Because the mass of electron is very
very
less.
small, is very less. Yes. And it is 9.1 into 10 to the power minus how much?
Minus, I don't know, 200 or something. I don't know.
200, no, Adam.
It can't be 200. I just put two left a random number. I actually don't know. 30?
Yes, 30.
How did I get?
30 kg. Okay. And now we will check the discovery for these three, okay?
It was
Discovery.
named after Column, I think. Column, some guy.
What about neutron? Who discovered neutron?
I have no idea.
No idea. J?
J.J. Thompson or what?
No. Chadwick. Okay. For
Not
proton?
Rutherford.
No, for proton is Rutherford.
Proton is Rutherford, right?
Yes. And electron is J.J. Thompson.
J.J. Thompson.
Thompson.
I have
Okay.
not. Yeah.
And what is
J.J. Thompson theorized that watermelon pudding model.
Yes. That one.
And
What is the
and Rutherford suggested the Rutherford model, and J. I have no idea how to pronounce that name. What model did he say?
who?
JCH. What? Whoever discovered the neutron.
J. Chadwick.
Make their own model.
J. Chadwick.
J. Chadwick. Did
And do you know,
he has his own model, like Chadwick model or something? The
J.
Rutherford model, watermelon pudding model.
It was James Chadwick
Okay.
contribution atomic model. And do you know what is the another name of proton?
What?
Name of proton. Another name of proton. Do you know? No? Don't Google it.
I'm not Googling it.
You are. Okay. So another name of proton is canal ray. Okay. And what is the another name of electron? It's cathode ray. And what is the another name of neutron? It's nothing. Okay.
Oh.
So what is the charge of these three? This is 0. This is plus this much. This is negative this much. And SI unit to measure charges is what?
SI unit to measure charge is Coulomb or whatever it's called.
And discovery is this, and what is the another name of this? First one is canal, and then and the another one is
Cathode ray, and the other one is nothing.
What? Why are you laughing, baby? What happened today? Are you okay?
Yes.
Okay, I don't feel like okay. So let's discuss location. Location of these three. So you already know this is in center. In center, what is located in the center?
The nucleus.
Yes,
Where
nucleus.
the electrons and protons are there. Well, sorry, not electrons.
And neutrons and protons is?
Neutrons and protons. And in this cloud of stuff, not like cloud, it's just probability thing. Inside that, there could be two electrons.
Okay. Neutrons and protons is inside the nucleus?
So,
Correct?
we wrote, oh yeah.
Okay. Now,
Ma'am, who proposed the idea for nucleus?
what Adham?
Who proposed the idea of nucleus?
Who proposed the idea of nucleus?
Yes.
Okay.
Wait, actually, I just realized that J.J. Thompson watermelon pudding model is also sometimes called the chocolate chip model.
Rutherford only proposed the idea of nucleus. The
Oh, yeah. Actually, some
in
people call the
109.
watermelon pudding model a cookie, chocolate chip cookie model.
No, but what for
Chocolate chip
water?
cookie are the negative
We
part.
can
And
also say, na, because in this chocolate chips there are lots of cookies, no?
yep.
That's why it looks similar like watermelon.
Yes.
So we can say. Now, so here nucleus is present in the center of this atom. Neutrons and protons is inside the nucleus. And what about electrons? Electrons is where? Hmm?
In the orbits.
It revolves, right?
No, electron is in the orbitals.
That's
The
what we
orbitals are in the subshells,
in the
and the
shell.
subshells are in the shells.
Okay. So, okay. Atomic number and mass number. So, do you know how to
Wait,
represent?
I know mass number and I know atomic number.
Okay, then tell me. What is atomic number? Tell.
Mass number is just the number of protons, number the number plus the number of neutrons, and atomic number is how many protons are there.
What? Yes. And what is the representation of these two?
So atomic number is Z and mass number is A. So A always comes on top and Z always comes on the bottom.
Huh. And here N P plus and number of protons plus number of
First
neutrons.
number of neutrons.
And what about atomic? Here only here number of electrons, or we
Num-
can say number of protons.
yeah,
Correct?
number of protons usually, but if it's a stable, if it's like
That's why or no?
yeah, but if it's not, then number of electrons can differ.
Yes. So let's take example of sodium, which is Na. Na number of electron and number of electron is equal to number of proton, right? Is equal to number of protons.
Protons on the stable ones.
Huh. So what is the number of proton of sodium?
So well, Na. I need to check the periodic table.
Don't check.
Too bad I already opened 11.
Okay. 11. And number of neutrons may or may not be same.
Yeah, number of
Correct.
neutrons may or may not be same.
So
I'll just check for sodium. What is?
so what is number of neutrons?
Oh, isotopes.
12. 12, na?
There are many.
There are many, but we usually take 12 only. Okay?
Yep. It goes all the way to 37.
So here number of proton is how much? You're 11. And what about number of neutron? It's 12. So what about total mass number of sodium is 23. Okay? And here number of electron or number of proton. So here 11 only. Correct? So we usually write like this. Top it will be
But when I checked on the periodic table, it said that it was 18.
18 what?
18 is the mass number.
18 is the mass number. No, it's wrong. 23 is the mass number of sodium atom. We always take 23, not 18.
Yeah, there is 23.
How come 18? Your proton is 11, your neutron is 12. So if we'll add, we'll get.
Oh, that's the only stable one.
So here for sodium, top is what? Top is for mass number.
So we only use the one which is stable.
Yes.
But what if there are many stables? Can there be many stables?
Yes, there can be many stables. Why not?
Okay, so for oxygen it's 17.
16.
16 and 17 both.
16, but we take 16 only, no?
Okay.
Okay, so we will write like this. Above mass number and below atomic number. So mass number is
Or we can also keep 23 to the left side. I mean right side.
We can keep 23 or 11. Okay. So, okay, now you tell me one question. That
Yay, questions.
whole mass of atom is supposed to be concentrated at center, correct or not?
It depends.
No.
But most of the time, most of the time, people takes nucleus. But if you want to be very accurate, you can also take the electrons.
So, concentrated at center or not? Yes?
Depends, but yes.
Depends, but yes. Good. And next question. Atoms are electrically neutral?
What?
Atoms are electrically neutral?
Atoms are electric.
Electrically. Okay, let me write. Atoms are
I think they're neutral, right? Because neutrons are there, positive and negative. So if the number of protons is yeah, listen,
Hmm?
they are electrically neutral
They are, yes, correct.
because same because protons and neutrons are the same number and they
Hmm.
both have the same charge. Blah, blah, blah.
So they'll get cancelled. Yeah, good. So you
Unless it,
know everything, Aram. I don't want to teach you. Okay, so that's it. That's it for today. You know. Okay, now
yeah,
you said
there's a pudding model.
which one?
Pudding
This.
model I saw. Yeah.
Yeah. What is next? Next is Thomson model of atom. This is Rutherford model of an atom. This is Bohr's model.
Yeah. Bohr's model students learn.
There's
Where's
this.
the quantum?
Where's the quantum? Valency.
Valency is very easy. How many electrons are required to take away or to give to an atom to make it stable?
What is this composition of atom?
Okay, element format.
Okay, you tell me first when
Yeah.
you come on
Okay,
fast.
I will try to do it because I know how much will be. I If it's in deep log, I might. It might
No,
be.
no, just tell me 20 elements of periodic table from starting. Hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron. Just like this.
Just want the okay hydrogen, helium, Oh, you want what? You just want me to say it.
Huh.
Hydrogen and helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon everywhere, nitrogen, oxygen, oxygen, so you can be fluorine, carbon, neon, oxygen, sodium, magnesium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, and I want potassium, calcium, scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, I did the manganese.
Nice. Good. Okay,
Eight,
and then these are the distribution of electrons for. Okay, tell me for boron.
25
For boron.
for boron. What?
Hmm. For boron, tell me the distribution of electrons. Okay, element shell.
Boron. Can you
Yes.
write the atomic number?
No, you tell me.
Boron.
Don't know? Why?
Red. 5.
Hmm?
Is it 5?
Yes, fine.
Okay. So first 2, gas 2, and it goes up to 8, right? So 2, 2, 3.
Uh, good. 2 and 3. For aluminium.
Aluminium.
Hmm.
What is atomic number?
For aluminium, atomic number.
I can.
Sorry.
13?
13. Now tell me.
So 13. 2,
Hmm.
8,
Hmm.
3.
Good. Now for phosphorus. Hmm.
Phosphorus.
Phosphorus.
15.
Good. 2.
Okay, so 2,
Hmm.
8, 5.
5. Good, baby. 285. This for
Ma'am, just please don't ask me the exceptions.
okay. Okay, now next for
Oh, the only one that you can give that I remember, the atomic number is chromium, which is 24.
silicon. Silicon atomic number is
14.
hmm.
Okay, so 284. 284.
And for chlorine,
Fluorine.
fluorine.
Cl.
No, fluorine. Fluorine.
Oh, 9.
Okay.